Hello everyone, welcome back to my third video on blockchain in drug industry. First, let's have a quick review on the previous videos. In the first video, we talked about basic understanding and background about blockchain, advantages and disadvantages of blockchain, and use cases of blockchain. In the second video, we went in-depth explanation of blockchain, how blockchain works, hashes, proof of work, and consensus. Today we'll be talking about Bitcoin. All Bitcoin's transactions are processed by a large distributed network of computers running special software. Every time a transaction occurs, the network records sender and receivers, Bitcoin addresses and amount transferred, and enters this information into a ledger or record called blockchain. What is the objective of Bitcoin? The goal of Bitcoin is to avoid decentralized control, so every user has one ledger that they can use. However, the downside of this is that everybody else can see each other's balances. To confront this, the system only uses account numbers instead of users' name to maintain anonymity. Why mine Bitcoin? Because it is secure, it has anonymous transactions, more retailers such as VPN services accept Bitcoin payment, and investment. However, due to it being unregulated, there is not a guaranteed value. Timestamp server. A timestamp server works by taking a hash of a square of things to be timestamped and generally distributing the hash. The timestamp demonstrates that the information more likely than not existed at the time so as to get clicked into the hash. Each timestamp incorporates the past timestamp in its hash, shaping a chain, with each extra timestamp strengthening the ones preceding it. Proof of work. The proof of work involves scanning for a value that, when hashed, the hash begins with a number of 0 bits. The average work required is exponential in the number of 0 bits required and can be verified by executing a single hash. The proof of work is implemented in timestamp network by increasing a nonce in the block until a value is found that gives the block's hash the required 0 bits. When the CPU exertion has been consumed to influence it to fulfill the verification of work, the block can't be changed without retrying the work. As later blocks are fastened after it, the work to change the blocks will incorporate retrying every one of the blocks after it. Network. The steps to run the network are as follows. New transactions are broadcast to all nodes. Each node collects new transactions into a block. Each node works on finding a difficult proof of work for its block. When a node finds a proof of work, it broadcasts the block to all nodes. Nodes accept the block only if all transactions in it are valid and not already spent. Nodes express the acceptance of the block by working on creating the next block in the chain using the hash of the accepted block as the previous hash. Things to know regarding nodes. Nodes dependably view the longest chain as the right one and will continue on widening it. If two nodes broadcast different versions of the next chain simultaneously, some nodes may receive one or the other first. In that case, they work on the first one they receive but save the other branch in case it becomes longer. The tie will be broken when the next proof of work is found and one branch becomes longer. The nodes that were working on the other branch will then switch to the longer one. On next video, there are a few possible topics that I might discuss about. Advantages or disadvantages of blockchain in drug industry, application of blockchain in drug industry, research gaps, and so on. Thank you.